Hello friends, welcome to the portal of Udyam Registration. Today we will learn how to register your business under Udyam portal. Let's start with the process of registration. First of all, you have to visit the website that is udyamregistration.gov.in. After that, scroll down the page and click on for new entrepreneurs who are not registered yet as MSME. Enter your Aadhaar number. Enter the name of entrepreneur. Click on Validate and generate OTP. Enter the OTP which you have received on your mobile number. Click on Validate button. Here, you will select the type of organization, that is proprietorship, partnership, cooperative, private limited, public limited, and so on. Click on Yes button and enter the PAN number. Validate your PAN. Scroll down the page and select No if your company is old. Otherwise, select Yes button. Select Yes button if you're having your GSTN number. Scroll down the page and enter your mobile number. Enter email ID. Now, select social category, that is general, SC, ST or OBC. Select gender. Select specially able person. Yes, otherwise select no button. Now, enter the name of enterprise. If you're having your plant unit name, then enter your plant name. Click on Add Unit. Scroll down the page and select your unit name. Enter the address of your unit, name of the premise, village, block number, road, enter the city, pin code, select the state, choose district, click on Add Plant. After that, fill the office address, flat number, name of the premise or building, village, block number, road, city, pin code number, state, select district, scroll down the page and enter the date of incorporation. Enter date of commencement of your business. After that, fill your bank details, that is bank name, enter IFSC code, bank account number, now select the activity of your unit, whether your business is carrying manufacturing unit or service unit. Here we will select manufacturing unit. Scroll down the page and search which type of business you are carrying on. As we're having repair and maintenance, if you carry more than one activity, then add your activity and select more than one. Now scroll down the page and enter the number of persons employed. Number of male, female, others. After that, enter the investment of plant and machinery. If you having your new company, then enter 0 in the total turnover. Click yes or no if you are interested to get registered on government e-market portal. As same, check yes or no if you are interested to get registered on TREDS portal. After filling the above details, click on submit and get final OTP. Enter the OTP which you have received on your mobile number and click on final submit button. Once you click on submit and get final OTP, you will receive a registration number which is verified by the government. You will also receive an e-registration document on your email ID and you can generate your certificate. Thank you.